This is a 2019 Sprinter, and I'm turning it into my dream Class B RV. The van used to be a commercial work van, and honestly, it shows. It has dents all over the place. Now that the cargo area's cleared out, it's time to deal with the bodywork. There's a big dent on the front roof, and the side panels and doors are covered in dents. But the real disaster zone is the rear doors. They are riddled with dozens of tiny holes. I genuinely have no idea why someone need to drill that many holes into such a small area. There are also a couple of holes over half an inch wide, left over from old door locks, and two mysterious cross-shaped cuts. I cannot explain where they come from. And the cluster of dents so chaotic, they've basically merged into one big wavy dent. So basically, if you can name a type of body damage, these doors have it. My old van Momo used to get hit pretty badly back in Guatemala, and the Mexican repairmen spent a week repairing that one dent. I always wondered, how did they actually repair it, and why did it take so many labor hours? So this time, I get to figure it out myself. I've never done automotive bodywork before in my life. I'm a complete beginner. So every step you're about to see is based on advice from AI, online videos, friends, and whatever my gut tells me in the moment. So if something looks wrong to you, or you've got a better method you want me to try, please drop it in the comments. I'd love to hear from you.
Porch light flicker on the siding, moths dancing like they know what to do.
I decided to start with the big holes first. From what I saw online, there are three main ways to tackle this. Welding a patch panel from behind, but in reality, I don't have the access to the back of the door. Or you can fill everything with bundle, but it didn't feel strong enough for holes this big. Or you can do a build-up welding, stacking layer after layer of weld until the hole closes up. That looks pretty easy. I mean, at least in the YouTube videos. So I went with build-up welding. I'm grinding a clean spot for the ground clamp, since the MIG welder relies on short-circuit heat to melt the wire and the metal into a weld pool. And this is the MIG welder. MIG stands for metal inert gas, and it's the most beginner-friendly welding method for auto body work. Here's the basic idea about this machine. Shielding gas flows out of the gun and forms a little protective cloud around the molten weld pool. That cloud keeps oxygen and nitrogen in the air away from the hot metal, because if they get in, you end up with oxidation, weak welds, or the weld just burning straight through. I started with the holes on the inside of the door. I figured this was the perfect low-stakes place to practice, since they will be completely hidden by the interior trim later. I want to learn the tricks and at the same time fill the hole.
If this ain't heaven.
I don't know if you know the old Chinese legend about goddess who patched a hole in the sky using the melted stone. That's basically how I felt as I was welding this 0.7-inch big hole in an 18-gauge sheet of thin metal. Except my sky turned out to be way too thin to hold the patch. The molten weld just kept burning straight through and making the hole even bigger. I thought I could just dive in and fix the actual spot that needed it. Turns out that's not the case. Apparently, I cannot skip the practice part. 磨得多漂亮啊！这个是100 grit 的砂纸，很细腻。切不动呢，怎么？
golden sunlight. If I'm going with you, I know we'll get to the other side. Sinking in, I know this feels right. Catching a breeze, love moving through me like a wildfire, like a wildfire.
哦，对了，昨天我不是说我眼睛都要瞎了吗？后来我才发现这个焊接帽它是带电池的，我都不知道。我昨天是直接就开始用，然后我说哇，怎么闪光还是很强？它这个是会在闪光的时候自动变黑，这边有 sensitivity， 包括我戴了这个帽子看我的手机屏幕它都会变黑，所以还挺灵敏的，完全就不存在昨天的问题。我就觉得自己好傻。但是就是问题一个个解决吧。发现虽然在这个板上这些看起来我觉得还 OK 吧，但是边缝还是很容易烧穿。现在是 0.03 的焊性，也许应该再换小1号。后面没有挡的去吸热东西的，特别容易把这种很薄的金属片烧穿。这个 Sprinter 它的板子厚度可能在 0.8到1毫米之间，但是焊倒是焊住。
Golden sunlight. If I'm going with you, I know we'll get to the other side. Sinking in, I know this feels right. Catching a breeze, love moving through me like a wildfire, like a wildfire.
keep on moving along, we keep on rolling. No, we ain't slowing it down.
We ain't slowing
keep
down.
on moving. We keep on moving along, we keep on rolling.
Yeah.
No, we ain't slowing it down.
Let's go. We ain't slowing down, baby, come and show me how. Gotta do it right now, you know you gotta hold me down. Can I let the moment pass? Good things, they never last. Pull up in the whip, you know I had to hit the gas. Yeah, that's premium, pull up with a team and ain't worried about the other side. They know that they ain't beating them on everything I love. Word to the man above, keep it cool, calm, collected. At this point you get the message. Life is hectic, but we gotta keep it rolling, no. Gotta keep it grooving, keep it moving like we stole it, though. Rolling with the punches, giving hits like we an interscope. Even though I'm clocking, punching in, I'm independent, though. Staying prayed up, ain't nothing gon' phase us. Ain't never gon' let a lame say what they just made up. I never take a pay cut, we getting what we worth in. I never change the blueprint, cause we know it's really working.
Keep on moving,
Moving,
we keep on moving along.
keep it moving, keep it
rolling.
rolling.
No, we ain't slowing it down.
Never slowing down,
keep
never
on moving.
moving,
We keep on moving along.
moving, keep it moving,
we keep
keep
on
it
rolling.
rolling.
No, we ain't
Keep it rolling, keep it
slowing
moving,
it
we ain't
down.
never gon' lose it. Cause we in it for the movement. If I'm lying, then I'm flying. Don't play into the amusement. If we trying, we ain't dying. Never sleep, never, never sleep, never. The moment that you rest your head, they think they can't compete. If you gotta skip steps, then the plan is not complete. Get your reps in, get your reps in, get your. Never rest on a past success. You gotta love what you do if you tryna be the best.
Keep on moving,
Moving,
we keep on moving along.
keep it moving, keep it
rolling.
rolling.
No, we ain't slowing it down.
Never slowing down,
Keep
never
on moving.
moving.
We keep on moving
Keep it
along.
moving, keep it moving, keep it
rolling.
rolling.
No, we
Keep
ain't
it rolling, keep it
slowing
moving. We ain't
down.
never gonna lose it.
这个洞就全部补上了。啊，这边还差一点点。我原本只准备连这个缝的，我没有想到说是这个东西可以慢慢堆起来，因为我之前失败了嘛。但是现在发现好像可以，我就慢慢在堆。虽然挺丑的，但是还是缝上。一会儿再把它全部磨掉，看看效果怎么样。我估计会有很多小洞，然后到时候小洞再填就是了。 稍微用角磨机磨了一下，今天就到这儿了，我手已经麻了。对，明天做下钣金顶出来，再接着磨。
冰豆浆很不错。哦，看起来像大丰收一样。哇，好香哦！
Do you hear that? My sanity about to break while everyone I know's out. On a trip, on a boat, on a lake. I'm tired of feeling all FOMO, babe. I don't even care if we stay home. Put our to-do list on ice. Crank the AC to 79 and make a little island right here. And there ain't a palm tree in sight, but there's not a cloud in your blue eyes. If we need a drink, I'll be the bartender. I got a fifth of Patron and a blender. Baby, slipping on a swimsuit is overrated. You don't need a beach to get half naked. Life's too short, let's not waste it. Cause paradise is wherever we make it. Paradise is wherever we make it. Till the sun's up Monday, we'll tell our phones, do not disturb. I got my straw hat, babe. And you can finally pull the tags on your Tommy Bahama shirt. Blue crush up on the 85.
这个就磨好了，外表看还是可以，但是朋友们，你们知道里面有多厚吗？磨薄了过后又会有一些小洞，然后在补那些小洞的时候就又会穿，所以里面跟外面一样也是补得很厚的这种，外面才可以看起来磨平。又是一补一个洞，一补一个洞，太崩溃了。哎呦，好累啊！补这个花了好久时间啊，但是这3块是补完了。要是每个洞都补的话，真的是要疯掉了。啊，这个车门真的好重，得把它拉平。
Yeah, there might not be a palm tree in sight, but there's not a cloud in your blue eyes. If we need a drink, I'll be the bartender. I got a fifth of Patron and a my blender. Baby, slipping on a swimsuit is overrated. We don't need a beach to get half naked. Life's too short, let's not waste it. Cause paradise is wherever we make it. Do this all